Welcome to one of the most breathtaking experiences on Earth, a helicopter ride over Monte Carlo, Monaco, and the stunning French Riviera. In this video, I'm going to take you through my unforgettable journey in the sky, gliding over blue waters, luxurious yachts, grand villas, and the glittering coastline that has inspired artists, celebrities, and travelers from around the world. So buckle up, because we're about to rise above one of Europe's most glamorous destinations. Welcome to one of the most breathtaking experiences in the world, a helicopter flight over Monte Carlo, Monaco, and the stunning French Riviera. As the blades begin to spin, excitement fills the air. The helicopter lifts off from Monaco heliport, and suddenly, the entire city unfolds beneath you. The shimmering harbor, the elegant hotels, and the famous Casino de Monte Carlo. It's a view that takes your breath away within seconds. The helicopter glides out over the Mediterranean Sea, and the coastline begins to sparkle in the sunlight. You can spot the winding streets of Monte Carlo, the yachts anchored in Port Hercule, and the royal palace perched on the cliff. The contrast of blue sea and white buildings feels unreal. As we move west, the beauty of the French Riviera reveals itself. The emerald hills, hidden coves, and red-roofed towns of Èze and Capdale. From the air, Èze looks like a fairy tale village hanging between the sky and the sea. The lush gardens, stone houses, and narrow alleys form a magical pattern that only a bird's eye view can show. Next comes Cap Ferret, one of the most exclusive peninsulas in Europe. Mansions with private beaches line the coastline, surrounded by turquoise waters so clear you can see the seabed. Its elegance and nature in perfect harmony. Flying onward, the city of Nice appears, the heart of the Riviera. From above, you see the Promenade des Anglais, stretching along the curved Bay of Angels. The old town glows with pastel colors, and beyond it, the hills are dotted with villas and olive trees. Everything looks peaceful from the sky, calm and timeless. As the helicopter continues, Cannes comes into view, the city of film festivals and luxury. The Palais des Festivals stands proudly by the marina, where yachts rest in the sun. The golden beaches and sparkling waters make it easy to understand why celebrities return here year after year. Turning back toward Monaco, the landscape feels even more magical. The light changes as the sun begins to lower, painting the sea with shades of gold and pink. From this height, you see how the Riviera truly lives up to its reputation. Not just glamorous, but naturally beautiful. The mountains, the coastline, and the sea come together like a living painting. And then Monaco reappears, small yet powerful, shining like a jewel between sea and sky. From above, you can spot the Prince's Palace, the Oceanographic Museum, and the legendary Formula One track curving through the streets. It's amazing how much life fits into such a tiny country. As the helicopter descends, you feel a mix of peace and gratitude. What started as an aerial tour now feels like a dream, short, yet unforgettable. The French Riviera from above is more than just scenery. It's an emotion, a reminder of how vast and beautiful our world really is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and never stop flying high.
be shy, can't be wrong. If you feel it, then it's strong. Party time, sipping drinks as your shoulders rise and sink. Dance to the rhythm now. Just move your feet, listen to the kicks and snares as you ride that beat. Dancing till the sun comes up. Soon need sleep until your limbs go numb. Your knees feel weak. Dance to the rhythm now. Just move your feet, listen to the kicks and snares as you ride that beat. Dancing till the sun comes up. Soon need sleep until your limbs go numb. Your knees feel weak. Who needs the sleep now? Who needs the sleep now? The sound is loud, beat is on. People dancing to the song without fail. Who prevails as your body twists and fails. Don't be shy, can't be wrong. If you feel it, then it's strong. Party time, sipping drinks as your shoulders rise and sink. Dance to the rhythm now. Just move your feet, listen to the kicks and snares as you ride that beat. Dancing till the sun comes up. Soon need sleep until your limbs go numb. Your knees feel weak. Dance to the rhythm now. Just move your feet, listen to the kicks and snares as you ride that beat. Dancing till the sun comes up. You soon need sleep, move until your limbs go numb and your knees feel weak.